I still don't know what happened to my son. I'm old now and need closure before I go. I may be old and frail now, but my memory of being with my husband when Sona was set up is strong. I remember the early days of Sona, built with care, sacrifice, and love. I am here to remind the world that our family legacy must not be lost. It must be passed on as my husband always wanted to be.
The dispute over Sanjay Kapoor's wealth and inheritance has intensified following his sudden death on June 12, 2025, during a polo match in England. As the chairman of Sona Comstar, a major automotive technology company with a global presence, his passing has triggered a complex legal and familial conflict. The primary contenders include his mother, Rani Kapoor, his ex-wife Karishma Kapoor, and his current wife Priya Sachdev Kapoor, each asserting claims on his vast estate valued at approximately 30,000 crores. The focus of this feud is Sona Comstar, a company central to the Kapoor family's legacy and future. Sanjay Kapoor's death has left a significant void, not just in the family, but also in the leadership of Sona Comstar, a company with a market cap of nearly $4 billion and operations spanning India, China, Mexico, and the USA. The inheritance battle involves multiple parties, but Rani Kapoor, Sanjay's mother and the former chairperson of Sona Comstar, stands as a pivotal figure in this conflict. Rani claims a majority stake in the company, inherited through the will of her late husband, Surinder Kapoor, the founder of Sona Comstar. She alleges that during a vulnerable period of mourning, she was coerced into signing documents that could undermine her control over the company. This claim has garnered sympathy and support from those who value the preservation of family legacies built over decades with care, sacrifice, and love. Rani Kapoor's position is further strengthened by her deep emotional and historical connection to Sona Comstar. In a heartfelt video statement, she expressed her distress over not knowing the circumstances of her son's death and her urgent need for closure as she ages. Her plea resonates with many who see her as a guardian of the family's legacy, built by her husband and continued by her son. Rani's assertion that the company must be passed on according to her husband's wishes aligns with traditional values of inheritance and family honor, gaining her support from those who prioritize these principles over corporate maneuvers. Karishma Kapoor, Sanjay's ex-wife, has also sought a share of the estate, adding another layer to the dispute. However, her claims are seen by some as secondary to the familial and foundational role Rani Kapoor plays. Reports suggest Karishma's involvement might be driven by legal entitlements from their past marriage, but it lacks the depth of Rani's long-standing connection to Sona Comstar and the Kapoor family's legacy. Priya Sachdev Kapoor is expected to manage the estate according to legal norms, a position supported by the company's statements post Sanjay's death. Yet Rani Kapoor's counterclaims challenge this transition, positioning her as a defender against what she perceives as an attempt to usurp the family legacy. Her stance has rallied support from those who believe in the sanctity of a founder's vision and the rightful place of the original family members in its continuation. The recent annual general meeting (AGM) of Sona Comstar, held amidst this tension, has become a critical juncture. Rani's objections to the meeting, citing coercion and exclusion, have highlighted the urgency of her cause. The company's decision to proceed with the AGM, appointing Priya Sachdev Kapoor as a non-executive director, has been met with criticism from Rani's supporters, who see it as a move to sideline her influence. This has further polarized opinions, with many siding with Rani due to her emotional appeal and the perceived injustice of her exclusion from key decisions. In essence, the dispute over Sanjay Kapoor's wealth and inheritance is not just about financial stakes, but about the soul of Sona Comstar and the Kapoor family's legacy. Rani Kapoor's role as a protector of this legacy, combined with her emotional plea for closure and justice, has tilted the narrative in her favor, garnering significant support from those who value family, tradition, and the founder's vision.